You remember the other day, it's probably about 8 hours ago that you got the video, that I got a post and it was a bag full of little nano things. Oh no, that's an Uno. But a little tiny thing. Oh look, nanos, we can do exciting things with them. That's a nano. That will do pretty much everything the big chunky Uno will do. If I can find one of those. Something's going to go flying in a minute. It's alright. I've been at this video for far too long now. It's just really getting to me. You know, Uno size thing. That way you can actually see it. Nano, little tiny thing. So, you know, that'll fit in a cigarette packet. That'll fit in a matchbox. And if we put that on something which is now on the floor, smoothing circuit, it's to do because you're using a power supply that's older than I am, which is quite fun. Yeah, it's got a fairly chunky capacitor across the supply and ground, which is good, and it's got a pull down resistor across the data line as well to stop that bouncing, which it seems to do quite well. And here we have, oh, that's a common ground line. I've just got to see which way we're going to put this thing in. Ground, that'll do. So I want to go, move it over one for the slightly worn pins. There we are, that's in there. Data line can go to, am I giving it away now? It's going to be a surprise. To there. You can, we're going to take power from the computer because it's just happens to be easier for this. There we go. Computer says, oh, I got something attached to me, and nothing happens, something should be happening by now. Yeah, it stops working because I've done something wrong. Yeah, the ground lines come out. Switch. Data pin 4, data pin 5, and it does things like that. And that's just that little tiny thing smaller than a matchbox, if you can actually see it. Let's turn some lights down so you might be able to turn those lights down. It'll also stop some of the noise in here, which is a cooling fan. It certainly takes the temperature off my ear roll. Isn't that pretty? That's Addressable Pixels, which arrived some weeks ago, but I haven't had a chance to play with them really. Well, I have, but you know, I thought the nanos might be quite fun. So we've got these Addressable Pixels being addressed from that little tiny thing. I mean, this is a sample that comes with fast LED. Yeah, it's alright. If you can't see them, I'm chucking more on. Pretty, isn't it? So we watch them with some music. Alright, we'll watch them with some music. Probably the Wall of the Mountain King.